Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here we will discuss part 1 of 180 MCQ question series on Vedic age of Indian ancient history. This video will be very helpful for your examination, so watch the video till end and subscribe my channel. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Question 1. Asakni river, a part of Sapta Sindhu, is the ancient name of. Correct answer option B. Chenab river. Question 2. Ved that depicts the life of early Vedic people of India. Correct answer option D. Rigved. Question 3. The Rigved is a collection of 1028 hymns divided into. Correct answer option C. 10 mandals. Question 4. Black, Krishna and white Shukla were the two categories of. Correct answer option D. Yajurved. Question 5. Lord of the Plough in the later Vedic period. Correct answer option A. Indra. Question 6. The Manusmriti is written in. Correct answer option B. Sanskrit. Question 7. The oldest Ved is. Correct answer option D. Rigved. Question 8. The shortest among the four Ved is. Correct answer option D. Samved. Question 9. Hymns of the Rigved are known as. Correct answer option B. Sukta. Question 10. River named only once in Rigved. Correct answer option C. Ganga river. Question 11. The sanskar initiating a boy into spiritual student brahmachari life is called. Correct answer option C. Upnayan sanskar. Question 12. The Ved which deals with the rituals is known as. Correct answer option C. Yajurved. Question 13. Rigved, Samved and Yajurved are jointly called. Correct answer option A. Vedatri. Question 14. The Atharvaved is a collection of. Correct answer option C. 20 khands. Question 15. The term Ayas in Rigved is refers to. Correct answer option D. Metal. Question 16. The total number of Vedanta are. Correct answer option C. 6. Question 17. The Mimamsa Sutra was written by. Correct answer option C. Gemini. Question 18. Vedic religion was also known as. Correct answer option C. Brahmanism. Question 19. Love marriage during the Vedic period is known as. Correct answer option C. Gandharv Vivah. Question 20. Marriage with the same Varna with Vedic rituals. Correct answer option B. Brahma Vivah. Question 21. The number of types of marriages during the Vedic period. Correct answer option C. 8. Question 22. Marriage done by purchase during the Vedic period was called. Correct answer option C. Asur Vivah. Question 23. Marriage by abduction during the Vedic period was known as. Correct answer option B. Rakshas Vivah. Question 24. The epic Mahabharata consists of. Option C is the correct answer, 18 chapters. Question 25. The famous epic Mahabharata was written by. Correct answer option B. Ved Vyas. Question 26. The most discussed river in the Rig Veda is. Correct answer option D. Sindhu. Question 27. The details of coronation ceremony are narrated in which scripture? Correct answer option B. Atriya Brahman. Question 28. Gopad Brahman is associated with the. Correct answer option C. Atharved. Question 29. The Vedic Aryans lived in the area called. Correct answer option B. Sapta Sindhu. Question 30. Ancient name of Jhelum is. Correct answer option B. Vitasta.